Hello everybody, Nick Skiba here with this nice Honda Odyssey minivan. And, we don't get a lot of Hondas in here, so we were pretty pleased when we got this one in. Just to kind of check it all out. And if the dogs would stop barking in the video over there, you could probably hear me better. Well, so this part is on the way. We're going to have that fixed. Don't worry about that. But I did want to show it to you, so if you came to look at it and saw it, you would know what we're talking about. Leather inside. Touchscreen radio. CD player. DVD. Is that a DVD? Oh, rear DVD. Yeah. I think. Yep. Rear DVD. Okay. Hey, what a bargain. 97,000 miles. And, of course, cruise control. There's a sunroof right there. Oh, I'm sorry. And this is a 2012 Honda Odyssey. It is going to go to the body shop for a little touch-up on two areas, which I'll show you here shortly. So here's the third row seat from the back, and then the power hatch. And so the scratches are right here and there. I don't know if you can see those very well, but I want to get those taken care of. So that'll be fixed here soon. Power doors. And here's our second row bench and our third row seating. Right? Plenty of space there. Oh, and yes, there is the DVD player that I was discussing earlier. Alright, so we will close the door here, hit the button and let it do its thing. Pretty slick. And that is a Honda Odyssey at Snowy Mountain Motors. Come check it out.